Good morning, children. In previous class, we have discussed excretory system. In human excretory system, mainly four parts are present. They are a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. These are the parts present in human excretory system or urinary system. Children, now we are discussing about external features of kidney. External structure. External structure of kidney. Children, in human beings, there is a pair of bean-shaped kidneys are present. Kidneys are reddish brown in color. Children, in human body, a pair of kidneys are present. Kidneys are bean shaped. The color of the kidneys are reddish in brown. Children, in human body, the kidneys are present in the abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall. One on either side of the backbone. Children, in human body, the kidneys are present in the abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall, one on either side of the backbone. Okay, children, the right kidney is placed slightly lower than the left kidney. In human body, the right side kidney is placed slightly lower than the left side kidney. Okay, children, the size of the kidney is 10 centimeters in length, 5 to 6 centimeters in birth, and 4 centimeters in thickness. Okay, children, the size of the kidney is 10 centimeters in length, 5 to 6 centimeters in breadth, and 4 centimeters in thickness. Okay, children, each kidney is convex on the outer side. See, children, this is the shape of the kidney. The shape of the kidney is bean shape. This is the outer side of the kidney. The outer side of the kidney is convex in shape. This is the inner side of the kidney. The inner side of the kidney is concave in shape. Children, each kidney is convex on the outer side and concave in the inner side. Okay, children, Why the right kidney is slightly lower than the left side kidney? Because the position of the right kidney is slower than the left side kidney due to the presence of liver. Due to the presence of liver above the right side kidney. Above the right side kidney. Okay, children. The inner side of the each kidney. The inner side of the each kidney. This is inner side of the kidney. The inner side of the each kidney has a fissure. This is known as fissure. The inner side of the each kidney has a fissure. It is also known as hilus. The fissure is also known as hilus. For the entry of renal artery, and exit of renal vein and ureter. Renal vein and ureter. Renal artery brings oxygenated blood loaded with waste products, and renal vein carries deoxygenated blood. Children, this is the structure of human excretory system. Human excretory system. This is renal artery. This is renal artery. This is renal vein. This is renal vein. These are the ureters. These are ureters. This is urinary bladder. This is urinary bladder. This is urethra. This is urethra. See children, this is the human excretory system diagram. These are kidney, ureters, urinary bladder. This is urethra. This is urethra. On the each kidney, there is a yellow colored crown-like structure is present above the each kidney. This is known as adrenal gland. Renal vein. This one is renal artery. These are the parts present in human excretory system. Okay, children. So, what is the function of renal artery? Renal artery brings oxygenated blood loaded with waste products, and renal vein carries deoxygenated blood. So the waste products generated in various organs of the body are filtered and removed by kidneys. So, what is the main function of the kidney? Filtration of blood. Filtration of blood. Okay, the main function of the kidney is filtration of blood or to remove the waste products present in the blood. So, that is the main function of the kidney. Okay, children? Okay. In next class, we will discuss another important topic, the internal structure of kidney. Okay, children? Thank you.